like my hair. You can't tell me nothing. This looks like mine. This is mine. It's grown out of my scalp. It's mine, okay? Hey Furies, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Mayven hair. This will be basically like maybe like a 3-4 month update. I'll put it on the screen. Are we loving the body? Are we loving the body? Okay, because are we loving the body? Listen, if you've been looking to buy Mayven hair for a really long time, make sure you stay until the end of the video because I got some tea, okay? Let's get into the video. So in my head, I have the Mayvenn Kinky Straight Brazilian hair. I bought bundles, I believe 12, 14, and 16 inch until I cut it because I love cutting my hair. I think I cut it to like a solid, probably like a 12 inch. Altogether, I paid 263 coins, okay, for this hair. But don't get it twisted, afterpay, or is it quad pay? I think they have quad pay. Super easy. I love doing quad pay whenever I buy extensions anyway, because who's trying to shell all that out, you know, for an investment for some extensions? I mean, I'd do it if I had no money, but come on, quad pay. If you don't know about Mayven, Mayven is basically an Oakland-based hair brand, and it is Black owned. I'm in Cali, so the hair came super fast for me, even though it didn't come from Cali. I think it only took like 3 days to come for me. Like, I think I bought it. It processed for like 1 to 2 days, probably like 1 day, and then it shipped the next day. So the shipping was super fast. The communication was nice. I very, very professional vibes from Mayven, okay? And I like that personally because you have hair brands out here that will treat you like your regular, and I don't like that. If I'm spending my money with you, I want to feel an experience. I want to feel special for using my money to spend with you. And that's how Mayven made me feel. How long have I had the hair? I'm trying to go back to my YouTube video because I made a video about this hair initially. Let's see. So I've had this hair for 3 months, but I've worn it over and over and over again. I've definitely gotten my money's worth. I've worn it at least 5 times, and the condition is still really good. This looks like my hair. You can't tell me nothing. This looks like mine. This is mine. It's grown out of my scalp. It's mine, okay? I have ventured out from Mayven and tried to buy different hair, and I was honestly disappointed, and I held them up to basically standards of Mayven, and I was not satisfied. So I will definitely be a Mayven customer forever. I will go back to Mayven for sure. I like Mayven because they're affordable and they make buying hair super easy. I didn't even, you know, use the free sew-in thing that comes with the 3 bundle deals. If you buy 3 bundles from Mayven, you get a free sew-in from like a certified Mayven stylist in your area. And I didn't take advantage of that just because I don't like a lot of people playing in my hair, and I can do my own hair, so I wasn't really too pressed. But I really love the quality of this hair. It's full. It came full root to tip. It smelled clean, didn't have any weird smells, came with a booklet, came with some nice silk baggies. The experience was nice. This hair can hold a curl for a very long time. If you put curls, these are flat iron curls. So you put flat iron curls in these, they'll last you at least like a day and a half. They last for a very long time. Flat ironing the hair over and over, it doesn't recommend that you do that. Like, Mayven doesn't recommend that you do that. But me personally, I've put a lot of heat to this hair, and the texture is still the same, and it has not changed. It is thick, it is full, it is pretty, okay? This is like my go-to texture. Now, the next texture that I do want to try from them, I want to try their Yaki, I think it's called their Relaxed Yaki or something like that. It's supposed to mimic like a silk press or relaxed hair. I think I'm going to try that next, and I'm going to compare it to this. And if I don't like it more than this, I'm coming back to this. Like, this is my signature hair, you guys. If you want some nice yucky straight hair that is affordable, go with Mayven, okay? I didn't even use, like, with my couple installs that I had, because I've torn this hair up. It's all cut up in different little pieces and stuff. I've used it for a quick weave, a sew-in. I've used it for a braidless sew-in. I've used it in all different types of ways. But most of the time, I didn't even need the whole 3 bundles. I used maybe like 2 1/3. I never put all 3 in my head just because it was too much hair. Like, the wefts are definitely 100 grams full of hair. They're not skimping out anybody. They're definitely what it's saying when it comes to the hair facts. This video is also not sponsored, by the way. I know Mayven does collaborate with a lot of YouTubers and Instagrammers, but this video is not sponsored. I bought the hair with my hard-earned money, you know, if they do want to sponsor, yeah, you know, hit my line. But no, you guys, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Personally, I feel like this is the only kinky straight hair that I've actually bought that mimics my actual texture. A lot of kinky straight hair that I see on Amazon, because I do get hair on Amazon, I'll admit it, I do. It's a little bit too silky. I feel like with kinky straight hair, you need to have some coarse type of texture to it to match your hair. And the hair on Amazon is just too silky. It doesn't match. But this has some texture to it. Like you can feel it. It has some texture. Like I'm obsessed. Honestly, the only con that I really have for this hair is that I wish it did have a little bit more body to it. It's not stiff. I'm not saying that all in the least, but because it's so full and it's a little bit on the coarser side, it's not as silky as if you were to get Brazilian hair, you know, like regular Brazilian straight, Brazilian body wave and silk it out. It's not that silky, but I want to try the Relax Yaki and see if it can get like that and see if I can get my ideal, you know, my ideal flow going. So I'll let you guys, I will definitely update you guys on that. But all in all, I would give Mayven hair honestly a 10 out of 10. And it's hard to get a 10 out of 10 for me because I am picky. But Mayven is an amazing company. If you were looking to buy some hair, go to Mayven, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye!